everybody. Sorry. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Sorry, I got to take a drink. Today I'm going to do a pour. This is on a 10 by 20 inch Arteza canvas. I'm going to do a rainbow. I want to try to do a Dutch pour, but we'll see how that goes. I'm not the best at those. With the type of pours that I normally do, my paints are a little bit thicker, so I try to make these ones definitely thinner, so we'll see. Hopefully this time I can get it to work. So I have Arteza black for the base, and the colors I'm using are, so this one here is Blick's Violet, Blinkrylic Violet. I have Blinkrylic's Phalo Blue. This one is Creative Inspirations Emerald Green. It's really pretty green. I'm using Liquitex Basics Florescent Yellow. Then Liquitex, Artist Lost Florescent. I'm sorry, Neon Orange. I'll get it right here, I promise. And then for my red, I'm using Decoart's Dazzling Metallic Festive Red. So we'll see. Hopefully I have them thin enough. They feel pretty good, but you never know until you get ready. And then on standby, I do have Amsterdam's black oxide in case I need to bring in some smearing. So we'll see. I'm going to just go ahead and start pouring this down. I can tell you right now already I'm going to have too much paint on here. And then we'll do the purple. I don't really like this red, but it's all I could find for now that I have in stock. But I think I thought I had another one somewhere, so I'm going to have to look for some more. So I'm going to put a little bit of black all the way around. And I'm going to torch it here a little bit. I do have a lot of air bubbles in my black because I just mixed that up in that container, so it's pretty bubbly. I do thank everybody for joining me today. I still have issues with my voice, so I do apologize. When I do turn the blow dryer on, I'm gonna go ahead and play a little music for you so you don't have to hear that noise as well. And I do apologize for my voice and the scratchy throat. All right, here we go. This side I love. This side, I wish I got some more cool cells over here like I do over here. I don't hate it, but it's definitely not what I really wanted. But I don't hate it. I'm going to work on these colors. I need to get a better red. I'm not happy with this red. It's just not as vibrant as I would like. So I definitely need to get a better red. The rest of the colors I really like. Love this over here. I wish I would have got more cells over here, but it's okay. I don't hate it. I don't hate it, so that's good. Just trying to do something here. Play around with it a little bit. Get some little wispies. Cool. All right, well, I think I'm going to leave it the way it is. But like I said, I think I need to get a better red. I'm not really happy with that red. I want something a little bit more red, vibrant red. The orange, the yellow, the purple, the green, the blue. I'm pretty happy with them. But the red I need to work on. I need to get a better one. But this is not exactly like a Dutch pour, so I think it still needs to be a little bit thinner than what I had. What I have mixed up. So I need to still work on that a little bit. But I do like it. You guys have to tell me what you think. Yeah, but I do. It's pretty. It's really pretty. It's really pretty on this black base. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Actually, I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. Sorry about that. Spaced off. Alrighty, I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. And I apologize for the light up above, but ugh, it's terrible. Look at those cells. Beautiful. Like I said, I just wish this red was a little bit more vibrant. It's so pretty. But yeah, so you guys have to tell me what you think. I do appreciate everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and you will like and subscribe and comment below your thoughts about it, what you think. I definitely know I need to make my paints a little bit thinner, and I got to find a better red for sure. But I do thank you guys for watching. All my artists were purchased, so you can email me at amyscreativeacrylics@gmail.com. If you're new, I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and you will hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell and be notified when I put up my next video. I normally do videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, and every once in a while I'll do an extra one during the week if I have a collaboration or on the weekend or something. And if you're returning, I love you guys. Thank you so much for all your kind words and your support. You guys are amazing. I appreciate you guys so much. But I hope everybody is healthy and safe, and from COVID and whatever, all the little variants of COVID. And I hope everybody is having a good start to your new year. Have a good day and have a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye.